Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to play YouTube video in the background on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open Google Chrome on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. And once you open the web version of the YouTube app in your Chrome web browser, then the next step is to tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen. Now in your Chrome settings, just enable desktop site. Now once you enable desktop mode, then just select the video which you want to run in the background.
Behind me are the most expensive cars in the world. No joke, we got.
Now once you select the video which you want to run in the background, just play the video and go to your home screen. Now to play the video in the background, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, you will find the media player. Now just tap on the media player, and from here you can increase or decrease the sound as you like. And from here you can play the video in the background.
How is this thing driving? How much smoke? This is crazy. $1 car. $1 car. $1 car.
And this is how you can play YouTube video in the background on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.